This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Here's how to change the clock on Mercedes-Benz Command unit from 2006 to about 2009. These instructions apply if your navigation system or command unit look like the one in the video. To change the time, first press the system button, then press the time set button. Next, push up or down to adjust the time, and then push OK when you're done. This will automatically adjust the clock on your dashboard. Thank you. Need Bluetooth music for your Mercedes-Benz? Do not waste your money on the outdated Mercedes Bluetooth Dongle. Gizmo Guy Gadget provides an easy and inexpensive alternative solution to add Bluetooth to your Mercedes factory radio. It will be crystal clear without any static. Get it at GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com.
Today we have a review on the Gizmo Guy Gadget. I've had this for about 3-4 weeks now. Bro, this is the best purchase I've made for my S-Class so far. I have a 2005 S55 AMG. It does not come with any type of aux, Bluetooth, no way to pair your phone to the radio and play your own music. However, a lovely guy online sold me this Gizmo Guy Gadget. All you do is plug it in right there to the cigarette port. Comes with a USB Type-C charger as well. This you could stick almost anywhere. I haven't found a spot yet. For now, I'm leaving it right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product. There's no static, the sound. You're not gonna get a better, clearer sound if you don't use this product. I've used other products. I bought a bunch from Amazon. Nothing compares to the quality and clearness of this product right here. I have my phone connected right now, and you guys can hear me perfectly. I'm going to play a little music so you can hear how it sounds with the music playing. But yeah, if I could rate it 5 stars, I would 100% give it 5 stars. This thing has saved me. To get an integrated system, it's going to be over $500 without installation. With installation, probably around $700. This little device saves you so much money. I love it. Rate it 10 out of 10 if I could. Have a nice day.
Google Gizmo Guy Gadgets for details.